All right, guys. So I know some of you out there can't make a decision whether to get a dark fig tree or to get a light fig tree. And I know it's a hard decision if you only have one fig tree. So what should you do? Should you get the light fig tree or a dark fig tree? Well, the answer is to get one tree that has both. Okay, so this tree is a grafted tree. And not only does it have both fig trees, one yellow and one dark, but both of these figs are extremely early varieties. Actually, the earliest. We got Ronde de Bordeaux there, and we got Iranian Candy, which is even earlier than Ronde de Bordeaux. And take a look here. You could see the fig honey oozing out the side. Two great figs. And I'm going to pick them right now. And you could see Iranian Candy. And here is Ronde de Bordeaux. Two delicious figs from the same tree. All you got to do is put this tree in a bigger pot and watch it grow. And I am going to put this tree on my website for anybody who's interested in the RK Figs extremely early tree. All right, so let's crack these guys open. Here is Iranian Candy. And whoa, I can tell you guys, I've had many of these already and they are delicious. And this one is actually more ripe than the others. And now here is Ronde de Bordeaux. Oh man, that is gorgeous. I'm not sure which one to try first. Let's try this one. Oh my God. They weren't kidding when they named it candy. It really does taste like honey candy. And now Ronde de Bordeaux, that so many of you are familiar with. Unbelievable. Two great figs, guys, and a great tree to have.